Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Thank you very much to give me the opportunity to speak something before you. Today I am going to tell you about my favorite teacher. So let me begin. The name of my favorite teacher is Afroza Karim Miss. She is 45 years old. She is our biology teacher, and she worked at Birshresto Munshi Abdurrahman Public College, which is a very well-known school in our country. She completed his SSC in 1997, and he completed his HSC in 1999. Then he completed his Bachelor in Science. Bachelor of Science in Zoology from Dhaka University, and then she completed his masters.
Her masters.
Masters in genetic engineering and biotechnology from Dhaka University. She has one daughter. Her name is Shaira Ali Sauda, and that's all about my favorite teacher. And thank you very much for your patient hearing. Assalamu alaikum.
Wonderful.